Good day, everyone. Today we will be talking about biodiversity and healthy society. This topic will be divided into three, which will be discussed by me, Zainal Jane Lima Lima, and my partner, Roxanne Sapiter. Now, let's start with introduction to biodiversity and healthy society. Have you ever thought about how amazing it is that there are so many kinds of animals, plants, and ecosystems around us? For the learning outcomes, we have two. The first one is explain key concepts of biodiversity. The second one is discuss the importance of biodiversity as a vital source for health and medicine, food, energy, water, air, and other essential needs for humans and all living organisms. Biodiversity means the variety of life on Earth. Everything from tiny bacteria to giant whales, from deserts to rainforests. It's important because it keeps our planet healthy and provides us with things like food, clean water, and fresh air. Let's break it down and learn about the key ideas behind biodiversity. There are types of biodiversity. The first one is genetic diversity. This is the variety of genes within a species. Think about all the different breeds of dogs. Some are small, some are big, and some are fluffy. That's genetic diversity. It's important because it helps species to survive. For example, if a disease affects one type of wheat, farmers can use another variety that resists the disease. Genetic diversity helps species to adapt changes in their environment. That's genetic diversity. The second one is species diversity. Species diversity means the variety of different species living in a habitat. Imagine a coral reef. It's not just a fish. There are crabs, starfish, turtles, algae, and even tiny microorganisms. Each species has a role in keeping the reef healthy and balanced. The more species in an ecosystem, the stronger and more productive it is. The third one we have ecosystem diversity. This is about the variety of ecosystems in the world, like forests, deserts, oceans, and grasslands. Each one supports different kinds of life. For example, a rainforest is full of trees and animals like monkeys and birds, while a desert is home to cacti and animals like camels. These ecosystems make Earth so diverse and beautiful. Now, if there are different types of biodiversity, there are another types of biodiversity. The first one is functional diversity. This means the different roles that plants, animals, and other organisms play in an ecosystem. For example, bees pollinate flowers. Decomposers like fungi break down dead plants and animals, and predators like lions keep other animal populations in check. Without these roles, ecosystem wouldn't work properly. That is functional diversity. The next one is landscape diversity. Landscape diversity is about the variety of physical features on Earth, like mountains, plains, rivers, and coasts. Each type of landscape creates different living conditions for plants and animals. For example, you'll find very different creatures on a snowy mountain than in a warm beach environment. Next, biodiversity hotspots. Some areas on Earth are called biodiversity hotspots. These are places with a lot of unique species that aren't found anywhere else, but they're in danger because of human activities like deforestation and pollution. The Philippines, for example, is one of these hotspots, with many plants and animals that need protection. Next one is interdependence of life. At this time, we'll be talking about how life is connected. Biodiversity gives us things we need to survive, like food, medicine, and clean water. For example, forests help clean the air we breathe, and oceans help regulate the climate. Every part of biodiversity, big or small, plays a role in keeping our planet livable. Now, the question is, why is biodiversity important for a healthy society? Now, think about your daily life. The food you eat, the clean air you breathe, and the medicines you take all trace back to diversity. Without diverse ecosystems, we risk losing essential resources. Biodiversity is more than just about preserving cute animals or beautiful landscapes. It's about survival, our survival. Every organism plays a role in the bigger picture of life, contributing to health, stability, and sustainability. By understanding and protecting biodiversity, we secure a better future for ourselves and the planet.